Picture these Jenga towers as your revenue. The left tower is direct bookings. The right tower is the OTAs. By 2030, 8 out of 10 pieces may be stacked by Airbnb, Booking.com, and Vrbo. One OTA tweak and half of your income is on the floor. Stay with me for this 6 quick moves that fortifies this tower so you're never one algorithm away from panic. I'm Mark Simpson, founder of Boostly, grew up in a Yorkshire farmstay, turned it into the region's #1 direct booking machine, then spent the last decade helping 2,000 hosts generate over $1 million in direct booking revenue. Today, we're fixing your OTA dependency in 15 minutes flat. Step number 1, if you market to everyone, you connect with no one. Back at the farm, we had couples, hikers, bird watchers, stag doos, chaos. Once I sat down with the booking data and realized 70% were young families who wanted animals and open space, everything clicked. We put in playgrounds, petting sessions, kid-friendly Facebook ads. Revenue jumped 30% in one season. Here's a mini little get done shit session. Grab a coffee and look at your last 25 bookings. List the ages, travel purposes, stay length, lead time. Circle the majority pattern, and then that is your avatar. Ask ChatGPT for free frustrations that avatar faces in your market. Use it to rewrite your Airbnb headline and website hero text to solve those frustrations. Here's a micro example. An urban studio near Dubai Marina. Digital nomads who crave sunrise kayak sessions, beats, sleeps too, great location. Number 2, kill your darlings. A one-off branded unit can drain more focus than it earns. Here's a story. A client once managed 10 Lux City apartments plus one random cottage in the sticks. The cleaner hated the drive. The photographer charged extra. The listing confused the guests. Profits? Barely 50 quid a month. They handed it back and the average review score across the portfolio rose by half a star because attention returned to the core offer. So here's your checklist. Does your property speak to your avatar? Can operations share the same cleaner? Photographers, amenities? Will it dilute your marketing message? If it's free nose, thank it for its service and let it go, or spin it into a separate brand. Step number 3, become the go-to. Helpful beats salesy. When I relaunched our farm on Facebook, I joined 3 local community groups. No holiday chatter allowed. Every morning I answered questions. Best dog-friendly walks, which cafe did gluten-free scones, never mentioned our property. 5 months, somebody posted, my sister's coming to the town, where should she stay? 8 members tagged me in that post before I even saw it. Instant booking, full week, direct. So this is your 5-minute daily playbook. Set a timer for 300 seconds. Jump into one of the Facebook groups, LinkedIn thread or WhatsApp community where your avatar hangs out. Answer one question better than anybody else. Log off. Repeat daily. Over 12 months, you'll have 250 micro touch points building trust while your competitors blast discounts. Step 4, build your tech stack. Spreadsheets and double booking anxiety are not a strategy. This is your essential tech stack. Number 1 is a PMS, property management software. That'll be your central calendar. It has all your rates and your guest messaging. A channel manager, sync OTAs but keep them in a box. Dynamic pricing, earn an extra 20 to 30% without lifting a finger. Payment gateways, stop chasing bank transfers. Link it up to Stripe for instant payments. Automate door codes, cleaning tasks, get time back in your day. Somebody that I know moved from Google Sheets to a proper PMS last year. It saved them 6 hours a day, and they discovered 3 nights that he'd been underpricing by under £100 each. That's £15,000 annual upside from one switch. You can integrate it once, then forget it. Tech does the grunt work, so you can focus on step 5. Upgrading your website. Listen, a free PMS template converts like a damp biscuit. This is why WordPress and live chat wins. Google loves open source websites. So if you want to rank for family vacation Scarborough and not being on page 7, you can do this with WordPress. You control pixels, upsell pet stays, late checkout, airport transfers, all via your WordPress website. Live chat captures the questions that the OTAs can't. You can speak to your avatar with the benefits within 5 words. Guest loves reviews. Showcase them on your WordPress website. You can have a clean property grid with all of your photos on there, FAQs, local guides, micro proof, you name it, you can have it with a WordPress website, not a crap free PMS one. And for proof of this, one of our owners who was based in Scotland had a chat widget on the website. A guest jumped in and asked a question. The result, within 48 hours, they had a £900 booking via their chat widget. If they didn't have that, that booking would have gone somewhere else. And above all else, make sure it's crystal clear how they can book with you. Have a book now button in the top right-hand corner of your website. Make it shiny, make it flashy, make it a different color from everywhere else. All right, step number 6, proactive daily marketing. The problem with most hospitality owners is that you are reactive with your marketing. Reactivity is revenue roulette. Consistency compounds. Let me give you a little example of what I used to do. Monday, email a relocation agent with free furnished units that fit their expat family. Tuesday, film a 60-second reel answering a local travel FAQ. Wednesday, ring last month's guest to invite them back with a repeat code. Thursday, post a LinkedIn or social media update on regional events and how your place solves accommodation problems. Friday, analyze OTA messages for repeat questions, turn the answers into website copy FAQ. That's 130 sessions a year, equivalent to a full month of dedicated marketing without burning evenings or weekends. All right, let's recap. Number 1, know your guest. 1 avatar, 1 message. Number 2, kill the darlings. Cut off and cut out the properties that do not fit your brand and avatar. Number 3, become the go-to. 5 minutes of daily generosity answering questions in Facebook groups will mean you are the person they go to. Next up is tech stack. Evaluate and evaporate. Next one, get a website that sells. WordPress, don't rely on the free ones that are out there. And finally, box off 30 minutes a day for proactive marketing. 6 moves, 65% direct bookings, freedom from the OTA mood swings. So if you want the shortcut to this, book a free call with our team. And if you do so within the next 30 hours and mention this video, you will lock in a 30% discount off our one-time setup fee. No pressure, just a straight audit of your current business, your setup and your websites. All you need to do, click on the link in the description below. Make sure you mention this video to get your discount. I'm Mark Simpson. Stop letting algorithms decide your income. Own your guest journey, own your bookings, and I'll see you on the other side of 65% direct bookings.